Today's recipe is a very quick and healthy semolina toast recipe, also known as Rawa toast or Suji toast. But before heading further, please subscribe to Dash of Delight and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any recipe. Hi guys, I'm Soumya and welcome back to Dash of Delight. In a bowl, take 5 teaspoons of semolina or Rawa or Suji, whatever you call it. Then add 2 teaspoons of yogurt. You can also use simple homemade curd. Mix it a bit and then add small amount of water and make a thick batter out of it the way I am making. Then cover it and let it rest for 15 minutes. Then meanwhile our batter is soaking. In a manual chopper I have taken half onion, half bell pepper or capsicum and half tomato. Chop them all together. If you don't have manual chopper, you can also chop it manually or you can also grate it. Then once the suji batter is nicely soaked and becomes smooth like this, add all the chopped veggies into it and give everything a good mix. You can also add chopped green chilies and cilantro or coriander leaves here. Now add few dry spices like half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder which is optional, 1/3 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder and some salt. Mix everything together. Well, I've given all the ingredients with their respective quantities in the description box below so you can check it from there. Alright, now here I've taken a slice of brown bread, apply generous amount of peanut butter over it. This is absolutely unsweetened, chunky peanut butter. Well, you can also use normal butter, but as you already know, I recommend using healthier options. Then apply generous amount of suji or rava batter. Spread it evenly on all the sides. Then put few of the chopped veggies as toppings over it, like so. Again, you can use any veggie of your choice here. Okay, now grease a tawa or a pan and place the toast upside down the way I am doing. Your flame should be at low to medium here. Brush the bread with some oil. Then let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes on one side. Then flip it over to the other side and press and roast it until the bread slice becomes crispy. So that's it, friends. Make as many toasts as required and enjoy. This is a very easy, healthy and quick snack option for your high teas, evening snacks, party appetizers, lunch boxes or whenever you feel like. So if you like the recipe, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.